The DJI Neo 2 is a compact, versatile drone designed to make FPV flying and selfie content simple for beginners. It features a complete, ready-to-fly bundle that prioritizes ease of use and safety. Check the link in the description for the best price. We looked at how this drone performs across the most common flight scenarios. The tracking performance is highly reliable, keeping you perfectly framed without needing manual adjustments during your active shots. Learning to fly in first-person mode is made significantly easier thanks to the motion controller and the intuitive goggle setup. Because it packs down so small, it is an ideal companion for travel where you want high-quality social clips without. The compact design naturally results in shorter flight sessions, so you will need to rely on the extra batteries included. This drone excels at capturing quick clips and tracking subjects with ease, making it reliable. We evaluated the cost against the features packed into this specific combo. Including the motion controller and goggles adds significant value for a beginner wanting a full FPV experience without buying separate. You benefit from the industry-leading flight software and technical support that has defined the brand's reputation for years. While it is a good deal at its base price, you likely won't see deep discounts in the near future. This package is a smart investment for the features provided, especially for those who want a. We analyzed potential issues to help you manage your expectations. The full coverage propeller guards offer a massive safety advantage, making it one of the most forgiving drones for indoor flight. It is important to check if your specific region has easy access to official support and parts, as this can. The drone plays well within the established ecosystem, offering consistent performance and integration with the latest transmission accessories. This is a low-risk drone in terms of flight safety, though buyers should verify the local. For beginners who want to explore FPV flying or creators who need a simple, portable way to capture themselves, this combo is a fantastic choice. It balances safety and performance well, though it is not intended for professional cinema work.